These things, I see all the keys. All the keys are working. Monkey, come and look at this. Wow, 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 wow. All right, this is good. Turned out you have to power things with power. What the hell am I talking about? All this time I've not given it any power. Oh, dork. Okay. Ow. Hey, Ronan. So I actually revisited Steve and he gave me a bunch of power cables and I ordered a whole bunch of different various lengths of network cables and I was in full gung-ho mode. What?
Here we find the beginnings of early mankind. Not even really human yet. They haven't even discovered the table.